my channel. My name is Alia Makhijani Kumar, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And yeah, today's video is all about Zudio sale haul. So because I wanted to go and shop from the sale, I was actually keen on going on a weekday, which is why we first went to Zudio on the last Friday, and there was a lot of rush. Actually we went around in the evening time, so I kind of had anticipated the rush, but we still went and we wanted to check out the whole quality and the whole variety. So we went, and I was actually taken aback because बहुत ज़्यादा rush थी, तो मैं trial के लिए भी अंदर नहीं जा पाई. I could not do anything over there apart from just shooting the long format content for y'all. The first time we went to Zudio, which was in Palm Beach, which is in Vashi, Navi Mumbai. The second time, which was yesterday, the Tuesday, we had gone to Phoenix Market City because I wanted to check out other stores as well which had sales going on. So we had gone there. Today again on a Wednesday we went, and also yesterday again there was a lot of rush, so we could not shop anything, we could not do anything at all, even at Phoenix Market City. It being a weekday, again I was taken aback कि ज़्यादा rush थी, which was again around in the evening time only, like mid afternoon evening time we had gone yesterday as well, so there was a lot of rush. Today there was no rush at all. Today, it being Wednesday, so today we reached Zudio at around 1:30 in the afternoon. And there was no rush at all. I think we were one of the first few people who had entered the shop, and again we had gone to Palm Beach, Navi Mumbai ka branch. So there we had a lot of time to ourselves, and we had a lot of space to ourselves to go and see the quality and the variety today properly and then shop. I could also go to try because there was no long queue, so I was also happy for that. I shopped quite a lot. So I'm going to start this haul by showing you all what I picked up for myself. So I wanted to do a video about Indian outfits because we are heading towards the festival season. So I wanted to pick up this kurti. ये मेरे आंखों में तभी आ गई थी जब हम first time Zudio गए थे, which was on Friday. तभी मुझे दिख गई थी, and I really wanted to pick it up that time because I really liked the color and the whole outfit, the whole kurti. Overall I really loved it. But उस दिन जैसे मैंने बोला बहुत लंबी क्यू थी, तो हम नहीं कर पाए खरीदारी, तो आज मैंने उठाई. And this looks something like this. And इसके बैक में ये पैटर्न है, पूरा कट आउट दिया हुआ है बैक में. एंड इसको लिटरली नीचे से काफी लंबी है, एंड यहाँ पर चुन्नटे दी हुई है. देन यहाँ पर टाई दिया हुआ है बैक पे. So this looks something like this from the back, and this from the front. There's no dupatta or churidar provided with it, but I can just mix and match with things and wear it. And also ये पूरा जो काम किया हुआ है इस पे, ये पूरा आप देख सकते हो शिमरी गोल्डन काम किया हुआ है, बहुत ज़्यादा सुंदर लग रहा है. It's like very very pretty, and this I picked up only for rupees 7.99. The second one is this shorts which I picked up in size 32. So this is a ribbed shorts. इसमें और भी कलर्स थे, ब्लू था I remember, and greenish emerald green color था, but he wanted a basic color to wear with a lot of things. That is why we picked up black in color. नाड़ा and elastic होगा तो आपको बहुत ही comfortable पड़ेगा. This is the size medium and 32 like I said, and this was for 4.99 rupees. So I think this is also really nice because the quality is very very nice. It's not like it's a sidey quality नहीं है. It's pretty thick and good quality shorts. Next we picked up this denim. This is 32 size, medium size, and this one was for rupees 1,999. This is again elastic, and इसमें भी नाड़ा दिया हुआ है. This is like a joggers pattern का denims. तो यहाँ पर आपको shorts दिया, यहाँ पर आपको pocket दिया हुआ है, and नीचे there is elastic. So you know joggers जैसे होता है वैसा उस type का ये pattern दिया हुआ है denims पे. And it is very comfortable, looks really nice. थोड़ा सा slim fit like skinny jeans का fit जैसा होता है वैसा दिखता है, but not exactly, क्योंकि of course नीचे से जैसे ये दिया हुआ है तो थोड़ा balloonish effect भी आता है. So the pockets also look like make it look like a cargo pants का pattern, but it looks really nice, and you know like casual wear में बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. Quality is really really nice. Next up we have a t-shirt. It's a very basic t-shirt in size XL. This was for rupees only 299. This is lavender color जो मैंने फिलहाल पहना हुआ है. Same color की t-shirt है, but ये ombre t-shirt है. So dark to light जा रहा है. नीचे white है, बीच में lighter shade of lavender, and this is a darker shade of lavender. And it's a very basic t-shirt, very nice and good quality t-shirt. Next up we have this white shirt. It's a medium size shirt. Size 40, and this is like a formal, proper formal white shirt, and the material is also very nice and sturdy and thick. So this one wasn't on sale. This was for rupees 799, and I think it's a steal deal because the shirt ka quality is really good. Next up I got this shirt. So this one is not a simple plain shirt. It's like a net ka, the material is very netty or very trendy. Like I think you can see it. ज़्यादा भी holes नहीं है, but it's like a nice vacation kind of a outfit, or maybe if you go for clubbing in the night, you can dress it up and it will look really nice, very stylish. This one came for 599 rupees. This was again size large, so size 42 वालों को easily fit हो जाएगा. Next up again I have this grey, blue and light blue or light grey shade का stripes वाला shirt. This is again very soft material, but इसमें holes है again same जैसे वो white वाला था, but कुछ इस तरीके से ज़्यादा बड़े होल्स नहीं है, थोड़े थोड़े छोटे से हैं. एंड अगेन दिस इज़ वेरी ट्रेंडी. जो आप यूजुअली रात के टाइम पे क्लबिंग के लिए जाओ या वेकेशन पे जाओ तो यू कैन ड्रेस इट अप एंड इट लुक रियली नाइस. This was in size medium, which is again 40, and for 699 rupees. Next up is my favorite, which is actually everything is my favorite, but this one I particularly picked up, and Nikhil did not like this one as too much, but I really liked it. This one is in size medium, which is again 40 centimeters. This is a shirt. It's a very nice and comfortable material shirt. like मैं अपने ऊपर रख रही हूँ तो मुझे बहुत comfort महसूस हो रहा है. It's very soft and थोड़ा सा you know crumpled material होता है ना, वैसा है. And this one was again for 599. Next up is this black shirt, which is again थोड़ा सा trendy and मुझे बहुत सुंदर, like जो भी ये shirts मैंने देखे मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगे, बहुत smart लगे. This one was for 399 rupees only, and I think it looked and felt also really nice. थोड़ा सा thick है, but it looks very smart. एंड अगेन ये मटेरियल भी थोड़ा सा नेट वाला मटेरियल है, इसमें सी थ्रू है. इनफैक्ट ये कोई भी पहनेगा तो बहुत स्मार्ट लगेगा. एंड रात को लाइक फॉर एग्जांपल क्लबिंग, मेरे भाई क्लबिंग वगैरह तो जाते ही रहते हैं पार्टीज वगैरह पे फ्रेंड्स के साथ और व्हाटएवर, तो आई थिंक दे विल लुक रियली नाइस इन दिस एंड दे कैन ड्रेस दिस अप अगेन. एंड दिस वन वाज साइज मीडियम अगेन, सो 40 सेंटीमीटर. नेक्स्ट अप इज दिस वाइट शर्ट विच अगेन हैज माई हार्ट. आई मीन जो भी मैंने मोस्टली सब भाइयों के लिए ऐसा ही लिया है, नेट वाला मटेरियल, बट डिफरेंट लिया है, बट मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा इनका क्वालिटी. दिस वन वाज 699 रुपीज. ये फुल ऑन नेट वाला है, इसमें मतलब सी थ्रू प्रॉपर दिखेगा ही. सो इट्स समथिंग लाइक दिस, एंड दिस वॉज फॉर 699 रुपीज. अगेन बटन डाउन डिटेलिंग है, इसमें बड़े बड़े बटन है, समथिंग लाइक दिस. नेक्स्ट अप वी हैव टू टॉप्स विच इज फॉर माई सिस्टर इन लॉ. सो आई know that she loves shopping, तो मैंने सोचा एक चीज से उठाने के बजाय दो चीजें उठाती हूँ उसके लिए. तो I picked up this top for her in the size large, and this is how it looks like. So this is like a powder blue, थोड़ा darker shade of powder blue color का top, but this is very stylish and not a regular tank top, बहुत stylish. And this is the second top. I think this one I've seen her wearing something similar to this, but on in a plain color. So I've seen her wearing something white like this, but this is like a printed top. So peach color का है, and इस पे बहुत सारे flowers बने हुए, floral print है, and यहाँ पर full elastic का neck है, and it's like a this kind of a detailing, even elastic at the waistline, and back is something simple like this. So this also look really nice on her. मैंने ये particularly उठाया क्योंकि मुझे पता है इस तरीके की she wears, so I think she'll like this as well. This was large size, and this one was for 299, and the blue one was also I think for 299. So yeah, that's that. Last but not the least, I picked up some wet wipes for myself. I use wet wipes a lot. So I saw these different kind of wet wipes, which is lip color remover wipes and eye makeup remover wipes. I genuinely don't know how they're different, but lip color वाला जो है वो tea tree वाले variant में है, and eye makeup वाला जो है वो cucumber and aloe के variant में है, and they are also biodegradable by the way. So I think it should work for separate things that they have told you about, but I'm not sure. I've not tried them, so I will only be able to tell you all once I try them. Maybe I'll put out a reel or a short and I'll let you all know how this works. Then one thing I'm very intrigued about is this Zudio sunscreen wipes. Basically wipes है जिसमें शायद sunscreen भी दिया होगा, SPF 15 sunscreen दिया हुआ है. So I don't know how much of this is not a marketing gimmick. I'll try it out and then only I'll know. So I'll tell you all how this works out. This was for 49 rupees and there are 10 usable wipes. Iska hai rate. These two were for 29 rupees each and 10 usable wipes. So yeah, that is that. Last two things. One is the lip balm, juicy lip balm. So I love having a lot of lip balms. This one I got from their shades. This is ग्रेप फिज, तो मैंने ग्रेप फिज वेरिएंट में उठाया है एंड ये पूरा मतलब वहाँ पे जो भी ग्रेप फिज का जो डब्बा पड़ा था सब खत्म हो चुका था. दिस वाज द लास्ट वन लेफ्ट, तो आई थॉट कि मैं उठा लेती हूँ बिकॉज मैंने जब ट्राई भी किया तो आई लाइक दिस वन द मोस्ट एंड आई पिक्ड अप वन ट्रैवल साइज परफ्यूम. इट्स कॉल्ड हसल. फ्रेग्रेंस ऑफ दिस वाज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग. I genuinely loved it. Like मुझे strong perfumes बहुत पसंद है क्योंकि I perspire a lot and TMI, but I perspire a lot and I don't like smelling bad. Nobody likes smelling bad, so I picked this up for that because I like to travel with a perfume with me always, and it's really nice and handy and very small. So yeah, this one was it, and they had a lot of variety in this as well, so you can go check it out. This one was for just rupees 79, and by the way this grape variant was also just for rupees 149. I will try it out and probably put out a reel or let you all know. Don't forget to check out my Instagram because I put out a lot of content there as well. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this haul. One thing I loved, absolutely loved about them was they did not hand over the physical bill to us. They sent it to us digitally. So that was one amazing thing about Zudio that I genuinely liked, that they took the initiative of not wasting any paper, and yeah, that's it. So thank you so much for watching. My experience with Zudio was really amazing. I enjoyed my shopping experience thoroughly. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all soon.